I just wanted to heat my pizza. I pressed 30 seconds. It said, bro, that's not enough. Then the timer glitched and jumped to 30:24. I tried to open it. It locked. The inside started glowing purple. The pizza floated and whispered, Sky Bitey Dimension opening. My microwave screamed, Time Risk activated. Suddenly I was spinning through memes. I saw Caveman Skibbity, toilets fighting futuristic toilets. One yelled, defend the Ohio timeline. Then everything exploded. I woke up in the year 3024, where fridges speak fluent. Moral of the story. Never reheat leftovers in Ohio. Like, share, subscribe, or your microwave will start plotting.